Here at Heraeus, we have a centralized unit, the Digital Hub, that strives for digital transformation inside the company. We have for many years been working on AI projects with our operating companies. We have realized the potential of using AI early on to streamline processes and increase their efficiency. These projects have over time changed the way we work at Heraeus in some areas. For example, we have been able to achieve major successes in AI for defect recognition. This was previously a labor-intensive task, occupying many workers to recognize defects on very small parts. We used AI algorithms to improve the way we check the quality of the products. With AI, workers on the shop floor can spend less time inspecting parts, freeing up their time to get involved in other value-added operations. There are many different fields in which AI plays an important role. As one can imagine, no two areas are the same. We find applications of AI from production flows to admin offices. The great demonstration of AI's potential is the introduction of Heraeus AI Assistant, a tool that is proven to be just the beginning of a widespread acceptance and adoption of AI at Heraeus. The purpose of the platform was to provide a safe and secure interface for the employees within the Heraeus group to make use of the language model without the risk of data being used for public purposes. Heraeus is embracing AI to enhance the efficiency of our various departments. Our goal is to streamline the day-to-day operations within our operating companies, seeking smarter task executions. AI is not just about updating existing processes. It's also a tool for sparking innovation and embracing emerging technologies. For instance, by incorporating AI into our customer service, we provide a more personalized and effective support experience. Imagine a conversational assistant that can offer tailored support for generating figures and charts, custom interfaces, and interacts with programs. This elevates the way we connect with our customers. It is essential that we integrate new technologies within our traditional manufacturing processes. Over time, the market positioning of our products will be determined not solely by the cost-quality ratio, but also by our ability to adopt these cutting-edge technologies. Embracing this technological evolution will enable Heraeus to accelerate the cycle of product innovation and enhance overall product quality. Learning to coexist with AI-enabled systems is key to leveraging its full potential and steering our collective future towards greater productivity.